Okay, so this is the board after part one is finished. This is how it should look when it's assembled. You want to note the capacitors. They're all facing the same way. The negatives are all towards the pots. That's important. And the diodes, the two on the right side, if you're holding the board looking at it like this, two on the right should be pointing to the top, and the two on the left should be pointing down. The pots are soldered to the top of the board. It's okay, they won't fit through the holes, but they're really good and strong if you just solder them to the points on top of the board. You want to lay everything out dry first, see how it works before you start soldering, and see how it's going to look. And you get the black wire, I don't know if this will focus, but soldered through the hole next to where it's marked TPRIM, transformer primary abbreviated, and the white wire for neutral soldered through test HV. That's just a test point. Then I'm going to hook it up to a cord, like my beautiful electric cord that I got from the junk, and plug it in. And hopefully it doesn't blow up. And then you want to test here the negative is C6, and at the positive R8 for about 320 volts DC. That should be your negative lead on this one, the negative terminal, what's going to be the filter cap for the low voltage DC, and then your positive lead on this side of R8 right there. And then you want to test for negative 320 volts with your negative lead on this G. It's a G marked next to the diode here, D4. That's going to be your negative lead, and then the positive lead this time is going to be on the same place on C6 negative. And you should also have about 320 volts DC if you reverse the leads. And you got a multimeter like this, it'll just read negative 320 DC.